Hello everyone, in today's video I would like to show you how to make your XFCE desktop look like this. So for the first step, open terminal and make sure that all the packages are updated. So I will run sudo apt update and wait for the update of the packages. After the update is done, let us go and install Compiz. So let us search for the package. I keep forgetting the name of the settings manager of Compiz. So this is the package we need. Copy and now enter sudo apt install, paste, and then install Compiz. We will install Emerald and Emerald themes. Press the enter button, enter Y for the installation to continue. Done. After the installation is done, let us go and get some themes for the XFCE desktop. So let's open the browser. Now we need to search for GTK themes. For the icons, I will be using the Cora icons. So search for that. You might have seen me using the same icon pack on other themes also, because this is my favorite icon pack. So let us download the Cora icons. Close the window, and for the theme we'll be using the Kimi theme. Click on download, choose version 40, download. Now with that version you can also download the dark version of the same Kimi theme. And this is how it looks. Now if you want to use the default file manager provided, you can use that with XFCE, or I would like to recommend you to install Nautilus, because it will reflect the theme in a much better manner. I guess our download is complete. Now open the location, create another instance of the file manager, and then go to the home folder and press the Ctrl+H button in order to show all the local all the hidden files. Now we will create a new folder with the name .themes and another new folder with the name .icons. Inside the icons, we need to just copy all of these. Done. In the .themes folder, we need to copy this and this. Now after it is done, we need to apply the themes. For applying the theme, you can open the XFCE settings. From here go to appearance, and you can see the themes are there. So let us select Kimi, and as you can see it switches to the Kimi theme. Now if you want, you can also open files and check the theme, how it has been applied there, and as you can see it reflects the theme in a much better manner. Well, after it is done, you can also choose the dark theme. I will go to the dark theme after showing you the light theme completely. So now at this point you can also change the this title bar looks a bit different from this title bar that is currently using the one that is from the theme. So what you can do, you can go to window manager and you can select the same theme over here. So it is the Kimi version 40 that we are using. So if you switch to that version, as you can see, it gets reflected to the other parts also. So after it is done, close it. Now at this point, you really have a very beautiful looking desktop environment. Now if you want, you can switch to the Compiz effects. After this part, I'll be showing you all the animations and all that you can go for. Now let us finally apply the icon pack. So I'll be showing you after this how to apply animations and all, because as you can see, XFCE desktop environment uses the XFWM4 window manager, so it does not have any animations. You can either go for the animations by replacing the default window manager with Compiz, or you can just stay here as it is looking quite beautiful. Now let us enable Compiz. For enabling Compiz, you need to enter Compiz replace in the terminal. So as you can see, it replaces the window manager with Compiz. Now the problem is that you don't get any window borders, right? So for that, go and enable the window decorations, right? So Emerald basically manages that part of Compiz. So let's open the settings manager, close it, go to the window decorations part and enable the window decoration. Now let us go to the lower part. Now enable the other things that are there, such as move windows, resize windows, snapping windows. We are not enabling that currently. That's all we'll do for the time being. Now you can move the windows, right? So let us just close this, and due to some reason Compiz had crashed. So as you can see, the title bars are currently now enabled. You can also move them to any side you feel like, and there are also certain slide animations. So the fade animation, as you can see here, if you open the file manager, there is a kind of animation that appears while you close the file manager. So if you open the file manager, there is a small animation that appears. Also, if you want to close it, another animation appears. So also, if you want to minimize or maximize, there are some cool animations. As you can see, the animations are quite smooth, and it does feel a little bit weird on XFCE because it never has any animations enabled on it. Well, we'll keep this running. Now let us turn on Emerald. Whenever you turn on Emerald, you find that the window decorations changes. So let's go to Emerald Theme Manager, and now our job is to choose a theme that is very close to the current theme that we are using. So we can choose this one, right? It looks quite close to the one we are currently using. Now let us go to Edit Theme, and you can go to Colors. For the title bar, let us select Absolute White. Let us move the panel to vertical bar, so we can move Emerald to the other part. Now let us make it completely white, right? So if we open the file manager, let us open the settings page. So we need to match the color of this, and this is completely plain white, right? So we need to enable this to part to match with the complete white part. Now let's go to frame or shadows. We will increase the opacity by a little bit. And change the Y offset to 0. That will make the shadows go around the windows in a very regular manner. After it is done, quit. Okay, another thing we've got to change in Emerald Settings Manager, go to Edit Themes and go to Title Bar and select the layout as the normal layout. As the normal layout. So whenever you choose the normal layout, as you can see, it moves to the right part. If you want, you can decrease the title bar height in order to remove the small gap that had appeared here, and that should solve the problem. Now for the terminal, you can go to Preferences and increase the transparency by a little bit so that it looks good. Now since this is the light theme, you can go to Preferences and Colors and change the background color to something that is white. You can also change the text color to something dark so that it is more visible. Now from animations, the unminimize animation is magic lamp. We need to change this to something more consistent with the other themes. So let's select zoom and select the time as 500 milliseconds. Now close it. So this is how it would look. Also, if you want, you can change the minimize animation speed to around 400 milliseconds. So this is how it looks. Looks great. So what you can do is just go to the panel preferences. You can do one of these two. Go to appearance and turn on dark mode. Now close the panel. If you go here, they become visible, or you can just go to the settings part, go to appearance, go to icons and choose Cora Light to apply, and then for this to work, you can also switch back to the light mode and they become visible. Now let us go and select the dark theme. Right, for the dark theme, go to the settings page, go to appearance, select Kimi Dark V40. For the icons, select the core icons dark, and that should switch to the darker version of the theme. For Firefox, you can also get a theme, Firefox themes. Yeah, that goes on with the current theme. Now finally, let's go and get a wallpaper. So I will make a better version of this dark edition of the wallpaper, and I will put it in the link. It currently looks a bit grainy, not a problem, I'll fix that. So that's it, how it will look. Okay, for the terminal in the dark theme, you can go to preferences and go to colors and choose the background color to be something dark. And for the foreground color, you can choose something white. And that is how it would look. Okay, something we forgot to change is that for the dark version of the theme, you also need to change the Emerald Theme Manager. So let us see what this color is like. Now go to Edit Themes, go to Colors and change the title bar blend to something dark. Okay. Now for the text fill, go for something white and increase the opacity. Now we need to copy the same things for the inactive window. Again from the title bar, change the text fill to something white, select and increase the opacity. And that should work. that is quit. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.